In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Steam points into Steam vouchers, money, and then you can get skins, free games, or whatever you would like to buy with your Steam balance. So the first thing you need to do is go to Steam and log into your account like I did right now. And then we need to go to Store and Points Shop. So right here you can see your Steam points balance. As you can see, I have almost 30,000. You will get points when buying the stuff on Steam, as you can see right here. And if we want to turn this into a Steam balance, we need to go to this seasonal badge right here. So once we click, you will see there are a lot of different badges you can purchase. You can read about those badges right here, but the important thing is that those will give you profile XP, the Steam profile XP, and I will explain more about that later. But basically what you need to do with your Steam points is, let's see my level first. I'm level 8 right now, so if we go back and start buying those badges, you will see how you will start. As you can see, I just increased the level just by buying a badge. Now I'm gonna go for the second one, and this will start giving you a lot of Steam levels. So this is very easy, and basically I will spend all the points right here, because the other thing you can do with points is just spend it on designs or cosmetics. So the important thing right here is that if we go to our profile and then right here, we can see the key to earn money with those badges or with your Steam profile level. So right here you can see all the ones you got. Those will help you level your Steam profile. And if we read the frequently asked questions, and right here you can see that based on your Steam profile level, it will give you an increased percentage on your drop rate. So the more booster packs you get dropped, those will instantly go into your inventory, and then you can sell them on the marketplace for Steam money. So I'm going to show you right now. If we go to the market, we can actually search for booster packs right here, and there are some that are cheap, but for example this is almost $1. There are some that are useless, like these ones probably, or maybe they are too rare, but we can also filter it by price. Of course, some of these booster packs have an inflated price and it's not the actual price, but you can actually see, for example, here there are 5 booster packs starting at 150. So if you get lucky and you level up your Steam profile, you have an increased drop rate on every booster pack, so you have higher chances to get those, and then you can sell them on the market instead of buying useless designs and cosmetics for your Steam profile. So that's basically the most useful thing you can do with the Steam points, and you can convert them to Steam money. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.